This is the third video of the short series. In this video we're going to declare our .theme file. We're going to preprocess some things in our view, and we're going to create a hash of the title and print it a bit different, again as a card. So until now we already have our view, and the output of the view appears as materialized cards. What we want to do now is we want to preprocess the fields, and we want to basically print something in addition. So here we have our theme that we overwrote, and here at the top we see that we have a template preprocess views view fields. So let's go ahead and implement it and create a new field that we're going to print here. So basically this function we may declare in the .theme file. So in our theme, let's go ahead and create a new file and call it the name of our theme, Drupal up.theme. And here we're going to be writing PHP. We're kind of obligated. Let's switch to PHP. We're kind of obligated to say that this is a file, and in this file we're going to be writing theme functions, theme or template functions. That's perfect. And let's go ahead and declare that function. So function, and here instead of template we're supposed to say the name of our theme, so Drupal up, and here at the top we say implementing this template function. This is basically a preprocess function, so we are able to check what's coming to the view and we are able to preprocess it. The preprocess functions, they expect variables, and since it's a preprocess, it's supposed to be passed as reference. So let's go ahead and see what do we have in the variables array. So int, and then variables, and then we're going to say die. So if we jump back to our Drupal instance, and if we go ahead and clear the cache, we see the output of int, and we see that we have fields title. This is exactly the same things that we have here. So we have fields title content, and here we have fields title, and we have also content here, which is a markup. Let's go ahead and get the output of the fields title content. So what we have to do is we have to say here, we saw that it's an array, so we say fields, and then we say title, and then we saw that it's a public variable, so we say content, which is a markup. And let's go ahead and see that we have a variable. So you see that it's a protected, so we can't just see the content, we can't just say string, but we basically can say toString, and we see the output of it. Since we have the theme debug, it looks a bit weird, but usually you would have without this. So let's go ahead and say, first let's say strip tags, just to have it clean. Okay, now we have article 3. So it shows just the first one because we're saying die afterwards. So let's go ahead and convert it into a hash and make it available here in the template. So we may just say variables, and we can say hash, and let's go ahead and make it first just empty, and afterwards let's go ahead and say if just, let's say, other than empty. So we go ahead and say other than empty. Let's go ahead and have it here, variables hash. Let's have it here, and let's basically hash the title. We can go to php.net and quickly check for hash. There are different types of hashing, but let's go ahead and let's use this one because we have an example with it. All we have to do is we have to say here hash, and we say the algorithm of the hash, which is this one. I just saw it for first time, but basically from the documentation we see that we're going to be expecting such a hash, which is exactly what we need. So let's go ahead and for the last time just can show it to be sure that we would have it afterwards. And now we see the hash. Yes, it looks perfect. Let's go ahead now and implement a different card. Let's go ahead and implement a card that is revealing the hash on click. I happen to know that there is such card. Let's see. Yes, this card. So let's quickly copy the markup of it and let's implement it here, and let's replace the variables that we already prepared. So the image we already have, we have the title here, we have the title, and we have the title here one more time, and we have also the link here. There we go. Let's go ahead and quickly show the link here. I think it should be like this. I think it should be without this. Maybe we made a mistake before. And let's go ahead and print the hash here. So we just say hash. And it looks quite good. Here let's say show hash. And here we say close. That looks quite good. So let's go ahead and remove the old version of our cart. And let's refresh. So we don't have to clear the cache because it was cleared before. And here we see that we have show hash, and if we click on it, it overlaps like this, and we see the hash of our title, the custom field that we created. We can also see it for the next one. It's a different hash. It's different for each article because it's created from the unique title that we have per article. Perfect. If you like this video, please check the links in the description, like the videos, comment, and thanks for watching.